Hi guys, it's Sam here with Bargain.hunting.blonde, and today I am bringing to you a reveal video. So it is a Polen reveal video, and it is in this very big box, which I feel like is unusual for Polen, as their bags are normally on the smaller side. So let's dive into this, because once I tilt this upwards, you'll see what it is. So this is the Polen, and on the front it does say the bag it is. So that is number 9 in French, so it is the Polen number 9. It is in their traditional beautiful pearlescent white box, which I just think is stunning, and also keeps the bag safe. I do store my bags in their box, in their dust bag. I know a lot of people say just to store in your dust bag, but I do actually prefer to put them in the box, and since we have a low humidity in California, I've never had a problem with storing them in the box. But it is something always to keep in mind. So a lot of people don't always store in box. But also I find that the box does save the bag because, you know, we've talked about this before. You can see there's a little bit of like corner denting right here. But I find that when the bag is in a box, it does save the bag, because recently some of my boxes have been coming to me in very scary condition. They have been very, very damaged. So this is the first time I am like looking at this and opening this like a true reveal. So as you guys can see, it is packaged in here with the Polen tissue paper and their little symbol right there. I am actually going to pick up the bag. Oh, it is not in its dust bag. Okay. We're gonna slide it out of all this tissue paper. And then as you guys can see, this is how it has come to me. It is not in its dust bag. It is actually in more wrapping, which I appreciate. We are keeping this bag safe, safe, safe. Okay, let's open this. Oh, it is beautiful. Okay, slide it out. There we go. So this is the shape of the number 9 bag. It has kind of a slouchy look, but is actually pretty structured, like holding the bag and looking at the bag. I did get this in the beautiful cognac color. I did consider getting the caramel as well, but I buy most of my bags in caramel, so I thought maybe I'd go for a slightly richer color with this bag, which I think it really works. It is coming up a little more orange on camera than it is in real life. It's a little more brown in real life than orange, but it's very beautiful. So like I said, this is the number 9. It retails for $390. It does come in what they are calling a full grain textured calf leather, which is a pebbled leather. So I get a lot of questions about this. You'll see on Polen's website that they have this type of leather, which is the full grained calfskin. I would consider this a pebbled leather. So you guys can see the graining right there. They also make a textured leather, which is much more like a Saffiano, though I will say it is nicer than a Saffiano because I do not like Saffiano. And then they do also make a smooth leather, which is exactly what it sounds like. It is a very smooth leather. In my opinion, if they could make all their bags in this kind of pebbled leather, I would love that, but they do not. You will see with the Numero Un, Numero Un Nano, and the Numero Un Mini, there's a lot of the textured leather, and not the pebbled leather, and there's also a lot of smooth leather, so maybe they'll start bringing around more textured leather. Let's go into the details of this bag. So first off, measurements. Height is 19 centimeters. Again, I did take the measurements from the Polen website, so they are in centimeters because I do not trust myself to measure things. Then the length of the bag is 32 centimeters, and the depth of the bag is 16 centimeters. So detail-wise, there is just this one top handle of this beautiful leather. There is the gold hardware. Most Polen bags do have much more of a gold hardware to them. I don't know if I've actually seen any with silver, and I'm fine with that. I love gold hardware, especially with like this color, but I do know for some people they would prefer a silver. It has a magnetic closure, which is nice to keep your bag secure. Just a little tag on it. The strap is right here, and as you guys can see, it is removable, but it does not have the traditional like little lobster clasp or anything like that. It is more one of those ones where you pop in and pop out, which I don't love because it does create wear to the leather, which is not ideal. But as you guys can see, it is also gold hardware. And the strap, which is very rare for Polen, is actually adjustable, because a lot of their straps, like if you look at the Numero Un Mini, it is a chain strap, which is beautiful, but that means it's not adjustable. So interior wise, let me take out stuffing. I love how well wrapped this was and how that it was all stuffed. It's really nice. It is a 100% cotton twill lining, which is in the same color as the bags. It's kind of hard to see that it is different, but it is. There is in the back one zip pocket with Polen Paris underneath. You're going to be able to see that underneath it. You're not really because of the handle. Well, there is a back zip pocket, and underneath it, it does say Polen Paris made in Spain. These are all what they say on the website, handmade in Spain. As you guys can see, even without the stuffing in it, it actually does really hold its shape, which is nice. Even though it is much more of a slouchy bag, the Polen is right there on the side, which is beautiful. This bag does not have feet, which is a little bit of a bummer because this leather is so beautiful. It would have been nice if it did have feet. But I think they are envisioning, you know, a lot of people are hand carrying it and you are not necessarily always putting it down. This strap right here without the long crossbody definitely can be worn like crook of arm, for me at least, but it's definitely hand carry or crook of arm. It is not going to fit on your shoulder. It is just such a beautiful bag. I love the detailing. I love this kind of dumpling look on the side. Such a stunning color. Color-wise, this does come in 7 other colors, which I think is really, really nice. As you guys can see, this is just a reveal, so I've not yet used it, but I'm really excited about the bag. And let's do like kind of a quick, if I can move the box is giant, what fits in here sort of thing. Just, you know, me trying things out. So it's obviously going to fit a lot because there is like, this is like very roomy, which is really nice because how it opens is opens like this. So first off, let's put my phone in it and then my other phone in it. So this is the, I think 11 Pro, and then this is just like the basic model. We did get an upgrade, so it's no longer the 8, but it's still the same size as the 8. So those are definitely going to fit in there. Next up, we are going to have my, because I want to see if this fits. Well, we'll have a mask. So this is my Gucci mask. This is actually made of upcycled Gucci material, which I think is really fun. And I did buy it from a small shop, which I really like, and I will link down below. So mask. So you always have to have a mask in there. Then we have all my cords, band-aids, etc., in my toiletry 19 from Louis Vuitton. So I think this would fit, but we're going to see how it fits with the opening because it is going to be a little bit of a squeeze, I think. Yes, it is going to be a bit of a squeeze. Let's see. I wish I could show you guys this. Let me see if I hold it up. So we're going in this way to make it work, and it is going to fit in that way, kind of at a diagonal, and it totally actually fits in the bag. There's so much space in this bag. I don't even know what else I would put in here. So right now, you guys can kind of see you've got my phones in there, you've got the 19 toiletry in there. We're going to put it in this because we're going to see what fits. Putting in this giant Karen Walker sunglass case, like this is really big. Definitely going to fit in there easily. We still have more space. I don't even know what else I'd put in the bag, and it is still going to close. Well, that is very cool. The 19 is getting a little bit in the way of its closing, but it's still closed. And you can't even tell that much stuff's in there. That's like really impressive. I'm making this bag very heavy because I'm putting a lot in there, but I think a better fit slightly would be the mini pochette than the toiletry 19, just because the toiletry 19 had to be like diagonaled in just because of the handle on this bag. So that could be a little annoying depending on what type of like bag person you are. Like, do you like to put a lot of stuff in your bag? Because this handle is totally going to get in the way and that's really going to bother you. But if not, then it's really, if you're slipping in small things like a small wallet, a phone, oh, I should put a wallet in here. That sort of stuff totally fits, totally fine. But yes, this handle does not move and it will be in your way. So let's just put in, because what I've been carrying as a wallet has been a combo of my Calvi card holder from Hermes and then my Bastia from Hermes. Both are definitely going to fit in here. Yep. There's like no room fitting issues in here. Like, I don't even know what else you need. You want to bring a book, you want to bring a water bottle. It's all going to fit in there. I'm very surprised by you, little bag, and I really enjoy that. But like I said, it will be annoying if this handle is going to bother you to load it, because you do have to kind of load things around the handle. So definitely something to consider. I do think it's a beautiful bag. I know, there's always some hesitation around bags that have been gifted, and I know this has been gifted to people. It was not gifted to me. I did buy this myself, and I have bought all my Polen bags. I've never been gifted a Polen bag. I mean, not that I would hate it, I would obviously love it, but I have bought them all on my own, and I really do think this is a beautiful bag. I don't think I'm going to be carrying it a lot by the shoulder strap, and that is because, sorry, I gotta go back digging in the giant box. The shoulder strap is pretty thin for the size of bag, and I do really think that this bag like excels as a hand carry bag. I just think it's so beautiful like this, and I just love that it looks squishy and like pliable, and it is definitely the material, but it's like structured at the same time, which is like a nice juxtaposition for a lot of bags aren't like that, and I really do love this. I'm excited to style this and see how I end up wearing it. I love like a cognac, tan, brown for like spring summer with white or like denim. I just think it's stunning, and so I will be wearing this bag in the summer. I know a lot of people would probably think it's fall winter, but not for me. So this bag is beautiful. Okay, well, I could keep talking about it and staring at it all day, but you guys do not want to see that in a video. So if you want to see more videos like this, handbag reveals, handbag reviews, handbag comparisons, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is twice a week. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see how I styled this bag, please make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and my blog, all of which are linked down below. Thank you so much for tuning in today, guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.